All right. And this is the part I wanted everybody to stick around for. So, something new that we wanted to try for Demo Day this year was an alumni spotlight. And so, the alumni that we chose, her name is Miji Lee, and she is the founder of Core Meta, which is a extended reality software development company focused on language learning and cultural discoveries through immersive XR experiences. So, Miji, I will bring you on stage now. Hello, hello.
Hello, Monday.
How are you doing?
Very good. Excited to be here.
Excited to have you. Thank you for being our alumni. Um,
Thank you.
so I will go ahead and play your demo, and then we'll have about 2 to 3 minutes for you to tell us a little bit more about your company. But if anyone is interested in learning more about Core Meta or about Miji and her development team, their LinkedIn is on the page for you there. And here's a demo of their company.
Hello, everyone. My name is Miji Lee, the CEO and founder of Core Meta Inc. Core Meta is an extended reality software development company for gamified cultural and educational contents. The goal of Core Meta is to provide an immersive XR environment where you can learn languages and experience different cultures in a fun way. And we began the program with the Korean alphabet and created Core VR. It is because I'm also a Korean language instructor and always explore the ways of enjoyable learning, and I wanted to start with my expertise. Now that we're launching our game on Steam and experienced the whole development cycle, I wanted to share with you our experience of development process. As you know, it starts with planning, designing, production, testing, and launching. As mentioned before, I always explore the ways to teach the Korean language in an entertaining and effective way. So after teaching over 150 students, I wanted to apply my teaching know-hows and go beyond the knowledge I acquired. So I had a meeting with some of my students to survey their interests and ideas. So combining the survey result and my experience in teaching, I created the game design. I want to start from the very basic, the Korean alphabet, and combine the concept of the popular Beat Saber. Now, but he has become a laser shooting game, which is quite exciting. Here are some examples of our initial game design and environment asset designs. Then, with the game design established, our developers started to add features. Some of the game features are interactive menus within animation, teleportation, letter spawning, XR rig, and interactive blaster with raycast, programming with arrays, unit events, and scriptable objects, addition of sound effects using audio mixers, game streaks, timer, and reward system. And I thought it was going really well until when we started to build and test the project. We realized that game could not run at all due to the high poly count, along with many other factors such as 20 directional lights, because I really loved bright space. And also our UI UX designer and other team members pointed out some flaws in UI UX design of the game, such as the menu. And we began to make more extensive modifications to create an optimized and user-friendly application. Some of the solutions we attempted for optimization are the following: decreasing the poly counts, the tris count, or texture compression, anti-aliasing, light baking, occlusion culling, LOD level of detail, and more. And we used Oculus Platform Standard to produce a launchable application. As of the day I'm recording this video, we are about to submit our app on Steam, and in the near future, we are planning to launch it on Oculus. Here is a lesson that I learned from going through the process. This was just an endless challenges, but every step was a learning opportunity. And planning is important, but getting feedback and making improvements are very important too, because whenever I got feedback, the game just improved so much. Which comes to the most important point is Core VR is the outcome of a great teamwork. This is our talented Core Meta team members. In every step, they showed commitment and ownership of the project, and that is why I can present our Core VR today. And here's our trailer. Hope you will enjoy it.
멍청이.
나 유원 달고나.
예스.
어, 에,
이게 뭐야?
아, 어, 오.
Great. So Miji, I will turn it over to you. Tell us a little bit about your company and next steps for Core.
Sure. First of all, thank you so much for having us today. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate everyone who presented today. All the ideas were really fascinating and very impressive. So, to come back to our companies, Core Meta is currently focusing on developing cultural and education XR content centered around Korean culture at the moment, since I wanted to begin the XR journey with my personal expertise, which is teaching Korean language. And we are pleased to announce that our Core One project is near completion, and we plan to submit it on Steam before the weekend ends. So this weekend ends, so
Oh,
they
wow.
will get it improved, hopefully, and hopefully on also on Oculus within a couple of months, because we try to optimize the game so that we can meet the Oculus standard. So we're trying to work on that. Thank you so much for the team, and our Steam page has been up and running since yesterday. So if you type in Core VR on Google, then you will see our Steam page right away. So I'm really happy to see that. This gamified learning VR app aims to teach the Korean alphabet in an engaging, interactive way. And
Mhm.
moving forward, we'll be resuming work on our second project, Core 2, which is a multiplayer cooking game. This game will teach players Korean vocabulary while exploring the delicious cuisines of the Korean culture by playing mini games and scavenger hunt and things like that. We hope to keep you updated on our progress with these exciting projects. And once again, thank you so much for having us. I'm so happy to be part of the Circuit Stream community.
Absolutely. No, it's been exciting to like see it go from like your idea to like it's a company to like it's a product. So excited to see it grow. And I
Thank
guess
you.
any parting words for anybody who's looking to, monetize their game or, turn a project into a company. Do you have any kind of like tips for them really quick before we let you go?
I think the biggest take from this project was, like I emphasized at the end too, was teamwork. I could never do this alone, and my projects grew so much, improved every time I got input from one of our teammates or many teammate members. So I really strongly recommend to form a team if you would like to launch a project. And monetization, which is I'm working on with my marketing advisor, I think we have to start studying marketing so that
Yeah.
we can monetize it better. We're trying to apply for funding as well, and hopefully we'll hear some good news in the future.
Perfect. Well, Michi, thank you again so much.
Thank
For
you.
anyone who wants to connect, like Michi was saying, Core VR is up on Steam. Their page is live, so you can add Core VR to your wish list, right? And then keep tabs on it
Yes.
there. And then of course you can connect via their LinkedIn page. And Michi, I will talk to you in a few minutes at VIP Cocktail Hour.
Thank you so much, Monday.
Thank you.